Sometimes you are connected to Wi-Fi network but internet doesn't work and you get this message, no internet secured, even though Wi-Fi is working fine with other devices. So in this video you will see different ways to fix when you are connected to Wi-Fi and internet is not working on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. First, go to search and look for control panel and open this control panel item. And make sure you select view by option large icons and then go to network and sharing center. Now click on change adapter settings. You will find your Wi-Fi adapter there. Now right click on it and hit disable. And then right click on it again and hit enable. Now check if the internet is working or not. If not, follow the next method. Now go to menu, then settings, network and internet option. You see I am getting a message here, your device can only access other devices on your local network. This means there is something blocking up the internet. So I will find that problem and fix it. And it is not necessary that you will get same error message with your Wi-Fi network. Alright, now let's click on the Wi-Fi option and the connected Wi-Fi network, and you have to check the IP assignment and DNS server assignment. Make sure both are selected as automatic DHCP client. If not, you have to click on edit and then select automatic DHCP client and then save. Do the same for DNS server assignment. Keep them automatic. Now check if the Wi-Fi is working or not. If not, let's try something else. Go back to the network and internet option and check the VPN and proxy settings. If you have enabled any VPN profile, try to delete them. Like I have these VPN profiles, so I will just remove them. So you can try to remove the VPN profiles that you recently created. Now let's check the proxy settings. Go back to the network and internet option, proxy, and make sure automatically detect settings is turned on. If it is set to manual proxy setting, you have to keep it as automatic. Now try to check if the internet is working or not. If not, you can restart the Wi-Fi services. Search for services and open this system app and scroll down to find WLAN AutoConfig service. Here it is. So make sure this service is running and then right click on it and restart the service. By any chance, if it is not running, you have to start the service. And after the restart, check if the internet is working or not. By any chance, if it is not working, you can try to uninstall any VPN app. Go to settings, apps option, installed apps, and look for the VPN apps that you might have recently installed. You can sort it by the installation date and then find and uninstall any VPN apps that you might have installed. Like I have 3 VPN apps installed, so I will uninstall them one by one. Sometimes the VPN apps might cause the conflict with the existing network while they are trying to create their own profile on your PC. So it is better to uninstall any VPN apps that you have installed on your PC. And after this, you have to restart your PC and check if the internet is working or not. By any chance, if it is still not working, go to search and look for device manager and open this control panel app. Now you have to expand the network adapters here. And then you will find your network adapter. It might be Intel, Atheros, Broadcom, Realtek or Qualcomm. Then right click on it and uninstall device. We already tried disabling the device, and if it is not working, then you can try to uninstall. And do not check this option to delete the device driver and hit uninstall. And after that, you have to restart your PC or go to Action tab and scan for hardware changes. Now check if you are able to access the internet. If not, you can do the uninstallation process again and this time delete the driver and restart your PC. and try to check if the internet is working or not. You have to enter your Wi-Fi passwords. If it is still not working, go to search and look for CMD and run it as admin. Click on the yes option you will see on the screen. Now here you have to type certain commands. Type netsh, then space winsock, then space reset and press enter on your keyboard. And then type netsh, then space int, then space IP, then space reset and press enter. Now we can try to renew the IP. Just type ipconfig, then space / release, press enter. Now type ipconfig space / renew and press enter. And then we can try to flush the DNS cache by typing ipconfig space / flush DNS. Then you can exit out CMD and restart your PC. And after that you have to check if the internet is working or not. In the most cases, these methods should work. If not, you can try to reset the network. Go to settings again, network and internet option, advanced network settings, and then network reset. Click on reset now and then yes option. And you have to confirm it again and then it will restart your PC and reset the entire network. After that you have to connect back to your Wi-Fi and internet should work without any problem. And in my case I had to uninstall the NordVPN as well. This was the main reason my internet was blocking up. Alright guys, so this is how you can fix when you are connected to a Wi-Fi network but internet is not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. That's all for this video guys, hope this helps. If you are new to this channel then I create videos around PCs, software and AI stuff. If you find it helpful you can subscribe and I will see you in my next one.